welcome back to another bonus episode of my Unreal Engine 4 turn-based blueprint tutorial. In today's episode I will show you how to get your AI to perform different attacks like magic or giving himself a potion. So let's get to it. Let's open up our AI. Maximize that. Okay, and then we're going to add some variables. First one will be an integer, and we will call it AI attack count. The second one will be called did magic question mark, and we will make that a boolean. Okay, so now we want to go over to our event any damage function, and basically all of this you want to move over. Wait, let's just do it this way. Let's first create a function. We're going to call this AI attack choice. Alright, and then inside of AI attack choice we're going to set the AI attack count to a random integer. No, not to a random integer. We're going to set it to a random integer in range. That range will be from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. And that's that function. Next function we'll make will be called AI attack choice. I know we're doing more than attacks, but it's the same. We'll call this AI action, and inside of AI action what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make a branch, and the condition for that branch is going to be we're going to grab our AI attack count and we're going to do an equals integer, and we're going to duplicate that 4 times, and we're going to run an or boolean, or for any of them, it doesn't matter. Plug them all in, and we're going to plug that into the condition. The first one will set to 1, 2, 3, not 4. Sorry, it's really dark at the moment. 4, and we'll plug them all into our AI attack count. Alright, so then off of false we're going to run another branch, and we're going to duplicate all of this and plug that into the condition and change these numbers to 5, 6, 7 and 8, and then we're going to make another branch, and we're going to grab 2 of those and the or boolean. We're going to duplicate it, not the branch, and we're going to set these numbers to 9 and 10, and we'll plug that in. We will remove that pin, and we'll remove that pin, so it's just a 2 or boolean. Alright, so what are we going to do next? We're going to go over to our event graph, and we're going to grab this stuff, all of that just like that, up until the apply damage. and we're going to control X that, so we just cut that, and we're going to go into our AI action and paste it. All this stuff we can move up. I think I just made a mistake. Why did I need the forward vector? Hold on a second. What am I using this for? Nothing. Okay, so it is fine. Let's take all of that up until the apply damage. Control exit, go to the AI action, paste it in there with Control V. Let's give our right vector a target. Then we're going to give our set world location the same target, and the play animation, and that's it for our normal attack. We'll reset this to normal attack damage. Alright, and we'll plug that in. So what we're doing here is our attack count has a chance of being set to between 1 and 10 every time we're going to call this function. So we have a 40% chance to do a normal attack, then a 40% chance to do a magic attack, and a 20% chance to do a potion. Anyway, let's carry on. I didn't want to drag on too long. So we're going to just do a normal attack here. Jump attack, whatever. And that'll work fine. And then we're going to want to take all of this again, duplicate it, plug the true of this branch in, set this vector times float to 1. Then what we're going to want to do is, as my character on this cast to my character, we're going to pull off and we're going to say get actor location. Then we're going to pull off of here and say spawn emitter at location, because this will be the magic attack, so we're going to need some magic, and I'll just set that to a fire circle attack, and then we're going to want to delete that and promote this to a variable. We'll call this magic damage, and I'll go ahead and compile so we can set that quickly, and I'll set it to 0.3, so it does 30 damage to our character. And then we're going to want to copy this. Yes, we're going to play animation. Yeah, we're going to want to copy that, paste it, just move that around a little bit, plug the true of this branch in, and then we're going to want to spawn an emitter here as well. So we're going to spawn an emitter at the end of the play animation on the last branch, and that emitter I will use will be particle heal leaf, because he's healing himself. And then I'll go ahead and set his HP to his HP plus 0.5. 5, so he gets plus 50 health. And then we're going to want to set did magic to true at the end of the last branch. On the second branch, the middle branch, we're going to want to also set did magic to true. And on the first branch, we will set did magic to false. Okay, over in the event graph now, we can delete those reroutes. Before this delay, we are going to run our AI attack choice because we want him to make the choice before he attacks. And before this true, we can also put that in there. And after the delay, we're going to want to call our AI action. And then we're going to run a branch, the condition being did we do magic or not. And if we didn't do magic, we're going to run our normal delay. And if we did do magic, we're going to run a 3-second delay so that the particle system has time to play. Alright, and that is pretty much it. I see something doesn't have a connection. Let's just plug that in. It would be on a cast. Where have I cast it to a character? Okay, well, let's just do it at the end. So let's cast to my character, the object being get player character, and plug that in like such. Compile, and everything should be right in the world. So let's push play, and let's have a look, see if we can get him to do something other than his normal attacks. So he did one normal attack, and another, oh, he did magic. He hit us with some magic. You see, that particle system is too long, so I would have to choose a shorter particle system. But let's see if we can get him to do something else. Did a normal attack again. His magic is really annoying. Gotta choose a different particle system. Or you would alternatively run a delay and then destroy the component being the particle system. I just want to get him to heal himself. He only has a 20% chance to heal himself, so. But anyway, it all seems to be working. If anyone has any issues, please let me know. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe.